What's up, guys? It's been a while. I haven't I post anything about a car really, but I got plans today trying to upgrade this car. I'll be installing an oil cooler. Trying to delete the OEM oil cooler, then use this OEM hose to bypass the coolant line, and this is the OEM clamps. So hopefully everything goes well, because I already tried it once on my spare 1J. As usual, my garage is a mess. It's been busy. Didn't have any time to work on a car. Well, this is the spare 1J I got. Use the same OEM hose. Just had to cut it a little bit to make it work, and shortened it, and then just put it in. I think it's gonna work. I just have to try it on the actual car, make sure it works, make sure it don't leak. But this is the part I'm gonna change to the shorter one to delete this OEM oil cooler, then install the aftermarket cooler. This is the plan I'm gonna try to be doing today. Yeah, and probably clean the garage a little bit. There you go. And an update, I damaged my bumper, so in progress fixing it. Yeah, I was pissed that it just happened. Yeah, I didn't pay attention too much then. Hit this board, cracked all the way to here. Yeah, I wasn't happy, but shit happened, so trying to fix this at the same time too. Yeah, hopefully I get it done a lot today. But it's, as you can see, bright sun, it's too hot. And we'll see how it goes. It's too hot to do anything. Yeah, it's hot. not enough space. Still gotta take off that OEM cooler block. This right here. It's hard to see this one. Alright. Guess what showed up? Let's see. It showed up right now. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You already know what it is. Just blue and purple looking packages. Yeah. ECU. Let me put my camera in there real quick so I can. Dude. Link ECU, baby. Yeah, it wasn't cheap, so yeah, I'm broke right now. Dead broke. Make sure everything's good inside. Turn it sideways, sideways better. Y'all ready? Oh yeah. Link. Thank you, Rusty. Yeah, there's everything. There's stickers. Yeah, oh shit. Big. Oh shit, cooling. What's out? Big thing. Definitely easier out of the card. This was kind of pain in the ass. Taking two hoses off and then we were sent. What is it? This guy. And this was in the front, so it was hard to get to. I use a wrench 14 mil to get this off, and use a socket 24 mil to get this. Come on, focus. Focus this thing off. And last thing, is two hoses here. I'm all messed up now. Get it out now, just gotta figure it out. Put the hose on it and then put this little adapter somewhere. Put that on there and then get going. So when you get the hose, get it off the car, whatever buy new, just have to kind of cut it this much off. You just use this portion of it, then kind of flip it. I will show you on the car, see how it looks. It's kind of hard to see. The hose is up there. That it goes into the water bypass pipe. Then this is an attachment. I put the gritty oil cooler kit. If you do have an OEM kit, you cannot put this gritty kit because it won't allow you to have it. It will hit the frame before you do anything. That oil line will hit the frame, so Just have to delete that stock oil cooler to make it fit. Get the Link ECU installed in the OEM box. Drill and made a hole to adapt the accessories and map sensor, I guess. Well, I might be installing this. I'm just gonna skip a lot of stuff. Car is running with the Link ECU. Link is inside. Links all hooked up. And Link O2 sensor. Air fuel ratio. Back.